welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set savings rate targets and track money in Copilot Money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set savings rate targets and track monthly in Copilot Money, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Copilot Money. Once you open it, you need to simply navigate to the Goals tab. Once you open the app itself, you can find the Goal tab right over there. You can add a new goal and simply define the goal details. You can simply give name to the goal and target amount. You can choose the tracking method, your target date, monthly contribution, and link your accounts. You can also save this goal and you can have an overview upon your tracking monthly progress. You can see your goal tab overview, automatic updates, manual adjustments, cash flow view, and insights and suggestions. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.